Hey guys, for the month of June I will be incorporating color into each of my tutorials. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to add color to your work using a square knot pattern. I chose 2 similar colors for this tutorial because I like how they look together. Feel free to switch it up and use bold colors for more contrast in your pattern. Let's get started. Variation 1. For your setup, cut 4 pieces of 3mm peach latte string and 2 pieces of 3mm mocha string. Each piece is 1.5 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach 2 pieces of peach latte, 2 pieces of mocha, then 2 pieces of peach latte to your dowel. Tie 3 square knots across the top of your work. Continue to tie rows of alternating square knots until you've reached your desired length. Notice how the colors overlap a bit, but you can still see 3 lines of color throughout your work. There are a bunch of different ways to change this pattern up. Here are a couple ideas. Add more string to the middle or on the sides to create a thicker section of color, or add in a few more colors to create a few stripes. Variation 2. For your setup, cut 3 pieces of 3mm peach latte string and 3 pieces of 3mm mocha string. Each piece is 1.5 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach one color then the other until you've attached all pieces to your dowel. Tie 3 square knots across the top of your work. Continue to tie rows of alternating square knots until you've reached your desired length. Notice how the colors overlap quite a bit more with this variation. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.